Tofu press. Presses out water from tofu, allowing flavors to be absorbed. Comes with an attachable tray to catch tofu water, completely mess-free and BPA. Welcome, guys. I am opening up my tofu press that I got from Amazon. Let me tell you right now, this is my first video and editing is rough, but just stay tuned. I think I got a really good dish for you guys and I will improve. So I got the tofu press out, I cleaned it off, and now I'm basically just getting out the tofu so I can show you guys the magic. So I'm trying to line it up right now to make sure that I can put it as center as possible so that I can keep it even, and then spinning those little knobs, which were annoying in my opinion. It's like, am I tightening the other side tighter than the other one? I don't know. So I'm giving it a go. I'm using firm tofu for this dish, and I let it sit for a while, and then I slowly tightened over time. There was a video that got left out somehow. I wasn't recording. Oops. So this probably sat for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in its natural state compared to using the tofu press. So comes with tons of water in there to help package it. So you want to get that water out so that when you're adding your flavors and your seasonings, it can absorb whatever you're putting in. Tofu is basically just like a big sponge. So you can see the difference here. It did get some water out. I probably could have squeezed more, but I was satisfied with that. And here is how much water that I got out. I used to just do the old school way, use something heavy in a plate, press it out. Do you have a preference? Would you like this contraption, or would you rather just do old school? Let me know down in the comments. I think it's okay for me. I will probably keep this, but I can do either way. So now I'm getting this one set up so that it can be draining while I work on the other tofu and get it ready for you guys. Spin, 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 spinny, spin, spin. It's like you gotta get it just right. I'm like, now, no, okay. So here it is. I just wanted to get a shot while what it looks like, having it be squeezed down, and then I was trying to show you all at once. Oops, again, there are some videos that got cut out. That was my little daughter. She's actually going to make an appearance later. So if you listen this far, please stay tuned to hear her wonderful song about tofu. So I made a seasoning, liquid seasoning is what I call it. I used coconut aminos, rice vinegar, and olive oil. Mixed it up, and I seasoned it with some regular seasonings, and then I applied the liquid seasoning over it. So I'm just mixing it up so it can get all absorbed. And I'm putting it in my air fryer. You can make tofu in the oven and on top of the stove, but I find the air fryer to be the easiest and the best. If you don't have an air fryer, definitely go get you one. I got mine off of Amazon, and I can definitely link the information below. So I put it on 350 at 15 minutes. This is the second tofu. You can see it kind of cracked. I think I kind of went faster on this one than I should have. And you love what?
Jesus, I love Jesus.
Okay, we love Jesus. And you love what? Tofu?
Tofu, I love tofu. Every day I love tofu.
Okay, again, guys, sorry about that editing. I will get better, but she's adorable. That's my daughter. I just wanted to say quickly that the reason why I think it cracked and crumbled is because I pressed it too quickly. However, what I have planned for it, it doesn't really affect it. So, no big deal on my end. So, here is the first set that I cut and cubed up, seasoned, and it looks delicious. OMG. I want some right now. So I'm trying to tear it open so you can kind of see, but you can literally see it just came out. So this is hot, y'all. I'm taking one for the team, and my fingers are like owie owie owie. So I'm showing you it's very um, firm, it's chewy, it's amazing. So this is the sauce that I'm using, which is the soyaka. How do you say that? I don't know. It's from Trader Joe's. It's the bomb, and it is vegan. Here we go. This is me tearing it open, so you can kind of see the consistency, the chewiness. It's just great. Yes, this is tofu, y'all. And then you just add however much you want at this point in time. It's suitable to your taste. I usually put a little in and then let it just marinate. And then when I want more, I add more. So here is the second one. Sorry, totally out of focus, I think, from here on out. Unscrewing the press, and I was showing you that it's kind of crumbly and sad looking, so I am going to cut it, and then I'm like, why am I doing this to myself? Like, this is silly. Don't do this, Gloria. Um, and then I was like, let's just show them so you can see how it looks. Again, you're totally missing all of this because it's cut off the camera side. So I'm shredding it up. You can see at the top of your screen. Um, And I was trying to point out there that it's naturally coming apart. So you just naturally follow the crumble lines. I guess crumble lines. Is that even a thing? So here it is. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to add some seasoning to it. I'm going to mix it up. And then I'm going to toss it in. Oh, just kidding. So I think this got filmed a little out of order. So if you like your tofu like it is right there, then that's fine. I like mine really, really, it's not burnt, but really like dry, I guess is a good word for it. So I'm putting mine back in for, I think I do like 8 minutes. Cut it off. Am I going to show it to you? Am I going to show it? Fingers crossed. No. I'm pretty sure I did like 8 minutes. And then here's seasoning the other one. Tuck the other one out. Oh, it kind of looks like sweet potatoes, huh? And this is the final project for the first set. Super delicious. Try to show you again the texture. You can see I'm like, ow, ow, ow. Y'all, you must know I have improved this editing. It was way more drawn out than this. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I'm just putting it on top of some quinoa. I love quinoa. It's so delicious. And I'm eating. And it's so good. Maybe I should have turned the audio on for this part. I was actually talking. Yeah, I should have. Oh well. Y'all, I promise I'm going to do so much better. I initially planned on letting this part play in the video, so that's why it's so focused on this part. I think this is a picture, so you get to see a close-up of it. The other one I did not get to record when it came out and going through the steps, so this is just the end, but I love how more natural it kind of looks, you know. Oh, it's just so yummy. All right, well, that's the end. Let me know which one you like.